Alright guys, what do you think this is? Huh? Can you smell it? Who came to visit? Oh, what's that? Uh-oh. Let's take to the bed. Alright, hold on. He is all safe and sound, isn't he? What's in there? Huh? What's in there? What is that? What is that? Adelaide, is that a Barney? So we heard Barney smells. Oh, hold on, let me get the bag. Oh, it's a Barney! And it's off. What are you doing with Barney? Yeah, hi, Barney.